From Sooner Standards, Designing and Creating Online Content, a complete Grade 7 Computer Science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.IC.SI.02, students learn to individually and collaboratively use advanced tools to design and create online content, digital portfolios, blogs, web pages, and multimedia presentations. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of content types, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons of no prep, HQM aligned instruction across 33 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,